Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth for weight loss. First, gather your ingredients: bones, vegetables, and seasonings. This nutrient-dense liquid can be a powerful ally in your weight management journey. It's packed with protein and collagen, which help you feel full and support a healthy gut. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Let's get started on this simple, effective recipe. To begin, you'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones. Opt for a mix of marrow bones and joint bones for best collagen extraction. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables: 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, roughly chopped. Don't forget a splash of apple cider vinegar. About 2 tablespoons will help draw out beneficial nutrients from the bones during simmering. This simple combination forms the base of your nutritious broth. Once your ingredients are ready, place them in a large stock pot and cover everything with cold water, ensuring bones are fully submerged. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce heat to a low simmer. You'll want to let this cook for a minimum of 12 hours, up to 24 hours, for maximum nutrient extraction. Remember to skim off any impurities that float to the top during the initial stages of simmering. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. Allow the liquid to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months. For weight loss, try drinking 1 cup of warm bone broth daily, perhaps in the morning or as a snack. It's an excellent base for low-calorie soups and stews, adding flavor and nutrients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.